Hey guys, here are some video shots of the events leading up to the Godzilla start. I had to plug this sensor hole. The sensor was hitting a filter in my transmission. It's a reed case glide 2-speed. The Godzilla shares a modular bell housing, so most Ford transmissions in the last 30 years is going to fit for you. I recommend going with a 4000 stall converter depending on what you're going to do. Mine's going to be pretty loose at 5200, but it's just what I had on hand from an LT1 engine. Now we diagnosed a fuel pump issue here. I found a corroded wire which powers the relay panel. This is the plug-and-play kit from OBR Control Systems. It's an easy 3-wire hookup and comes with a calibration that makes 500 horsepower, 500 foot-pounds out of the box.
Sweet.